Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is Google from Techy, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to pass the basic level 2 for Hackthissite.com. Before getting into this video, click on subscribe and click on notification bell icon. And there. Here is our Hackthissite page, and go to basic missions. There you find basic level 2. To see how to register, you can recall my last tutorial, and basic 1 challenge has been finished on the last tutorial. Next, basic 2 challenge. Click on basic 2. Here while reading the level 2 network security, Sam set up a password protection script. He made it load the real password from an encrypted text file and compare it to the password the user enters. However, he neglected to upload the password file. So here this says that he forgot to upload the password file. So you can leave this blank and submit. So it doesn't compare the password that user enters, and it redirects to the congrats page, and it is congratulations, you have successfully completed basic level 2, and hit on this, catch this later, bye.